Hello everyone, my name's Dave Rogers, and as the president here at SUNY Morrisville, it's my pleasure to congratulate you on your acceptance to this college. Whether you have made a final decision on attending Morrisville or not, we hope that you look at all the elements that Morrisville has to offer. You probably are aware that the hallmark of a Morrisville education is the applied learning we have in a wide array of classroom settings. Sometimes you'll be working with plants, sometimes animals, sometimes machines. No matter what your major may be, you will be learning with your peers and with faculty in settings that prepare you for your careers as professionals. Classroom experiences, out of classroom, club activities, athletics, the entire spectrum of student support engagement we hope that we will have back this fall. Again, as president of the college and on behalf of all the faculty, staff, and students here, congratulations on your acceptance at the college. We hope to see you this August.